Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, we're gonna pop the hood right here. Pull that lever. There's a release right here. If you go to the center and to the right a little bit, right there. I'm gonna grab the prop rod. You can put it right there. So here's your coolant reservoir right here. If you wanted to add some coolant, you pull this off and add it. And there's a min-max line right there. You want the coolant right in between there, those two. If you can see, our coolant's right at the min line on this vehicle. So we would have to add a little bit.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.